Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to screenshot on Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so guys, if you're already logged in your account on Microsoft Teams website and you wanted to take a screenshot, let's say for example on this GC, my team, and you wanna take some screenshot on on a important details and to have like take note on that, to have a reminder of that. So what we're gonna do, guys, so actually I'm using right now a MacBook now. So you just have to tap the command shift 4 for MacBook users. Okay, and you just have to select what part are you going to take. Okay, so for me I'm going to select this whole, okay, this whole screen, like that, on the team. Okay, so gonna take that one. Okay, that's it guys, that's how we're going to take a screenshot on Microsoft Teams. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.